After the first video of how to create the form, now the time has come for the evaluation of the form. So for the evaluation of the form, we can either go to the drives in laptop or we can go with the mobile phone, and then we will go to the drive, and here the forms will be visible to you all. So this I'm going to give you a live demo of the evaluation of the answer script done by the student. Now this is a form of class 8th. Now this they have given the exam yesterday, and you can see that it is showing 45 responses, which is of 20 marks. So we will see the question paper. In this question paper, when the students are given this type of multiple choice question, they don't have any problem. Like we can have true and false also. But we see that the question like write the full form of PCI, there was no problem, but still one of the girl has given extra space between the words. You can see I had tried to put all possible combination of writing personal component internet, but still the girl has given extra space between the word. So for online evaluation, it has marked as incorrect, and then she has generated the query. So I said her that I will see and I will release your marks later on. So on that time, the girl has got the marks, but with this answer marked as incorrect. So I will be releasing in front of you the marks one by one. Because of this, now you can see the another problem was given in question number 10. The answer was TCP IP. So here also you can see that I had tried to put all the maximum combination of TCP IP. But here you can see that one of the girl, she has answered transmission control protocol and in the bracket TCP, and then internet protocol and in the bracket IP. Her answer is correct, but it is marked as incorrect. So there also I had, now after doing any change we need to do done for saving. So there also I told her, okay, I will see to this. Now we will go to response. In response, I had selected not accepting response after the time limit. Once the time is over, like you fix the time for 1 hour, after that manually we have to come to the form and we have to make not accepting response as on. Now you can see it is accepting response. It means that suppose the girl has not appeared. After 1 hour, 2 hour, if you put it remain on, she will get the link from the friend and she will answer and submit. So after completing your exam, after the time period, manually you have to come to response and put not accepting response as on. Now nobody can able to submit their marks. Then we come here and we see the summary. Summary, it will show you totally that statistical view that how many questions they have response out of 45, how many have responded as correct, how many are as missed one. So like that. Then you can see here score. It is checked and release score. If your question paper after completing your question exam, none of the student has any problem, you can click on release score, and by one click all the students will get their score on their emails that you can see all of the students Gmail ID is stored. So automatically it will go. Plus from here you can also evaluate the average scores, the highest score and the least score scored by the girl. If I want, I can go and check why the girl has scored such less in which of the area she has to improve more. Then the next part, enter the name column. From there, all of the girls' names has come. So if we mark the attendance, we can see from here and can mark. Another part is the statistical view. So these are statistical view, that which answer is how much correctly answered by the students. This, if you want to go through, you can go through. Otherwise, it is not required. The main thing is to release the score all at once. If no query generated, then we will go and click on release score. It is directly present under the response tab, under summary. Next is to go with the individual. Now you see, it is showing here 1 of 45. Now I had already evaluated till 32. So I will move till 32 and I have to do the 32 one because the girls were having problems, so I had evaluated. So for individual evaluation, we are on 31. Now this 31 or 1, 2 is not in the sorted order. It means the students are entering, and as they enter and they give the test, the mail ID are stored in that order. It is not like a registered way in sorted order. So this girl has got 7 out of 20. Her email address is written here. The girl name is Simran. She is of 8A. Her roll number is 52. Now let us see. The first answer is wrong. So it is marked with the cross sign, and it is also showing the correct answer. Her second one is also wrong. So you can see here all the answers are evaluated. Wrong ones are marked as cross with the red, and the correct answer is also showing. And the correct one are ticked with the green color. Now we can say why the answers, like over here, we can see that all that is evaluated by the online evaluation is correct. We don't have to do any type of correction in it. So we can come back. Now here, if I want to give any remarks for her answer, I can type here, click on add individual feedback, and I will type here only one part is answered. And then click on save. So you see that why this answer is marked as wrong. She has written only TCP, IP is not written. So I had given the remark that only one part is answered. And after that, I will come up, and now I am going to release her marks by clicking on release score. So whatever the changes you have done, you save and then click on release score. So you will see that her score is released. So you see it is released. Now we will come back again to response for the other one. We will come back and we will click on send and release. So her marks is released. So we will come to the next one, 32. 32, that again we will see whether she has answered. This I am doing because one or two girl has created objection upon the answer, why it is marked as wrong. So you can see here peripheral component interconnect, and she has written peripheral components interconnected. So it is not the full form of PCI, it is marked as an wrong. Now we will go and check. So this is also all evaluated correctly, and she has left some of the questions to be answered. So we will again come back and we will release her marks by clicking on release score. So we are on 32 and we are releasing score, send email and release. So we will be back on 33. So this is the way. I want to show you all any mistake if it comes. So there till now we have seen that all the answers which are evaluated online are correct and there is no problem in this. So all the marks which are evaluated I am releasing without any correction. So release score and then again send email and release. In this way, next we see of 34. We see here that the girl present at the 34th number, she has got 14 out of 20. So before releasing her marks, let us evaluate her paper. Now in this paper, we see that all till now there is no problem. Now we get here. Now the girl has written the answer coaxial cables. Spelling is also correct. Now I had also tried to put the all combination of coaxial cable. Now instead of cable, she has written cables. So logically, she has to get the marks. So we will put here 1 and 1 marks. We will click on save. So you will see the girl marks is updated. Now she has got 15 out of 20 and earlier her marks was 14. Next we will see furthermore if she is having any problem in her evaluation. So we have given her the marks and you see here it is ticked correct. And then sometime it happens that it is showing here cross but it is marked as correct. Next for all other, she has been correctly evaluated and so we have seen here, see, she has written TCP IP and the full form also. Here also we will give her 1 marks because her answer is correct. And so we see here that her marks is now 16 out of 20. We should evaluate in such way so that no one create objection in our evaluation and later on also we do not face any problem. So we have to go once. If there is no problem and all are correctly answered, we can release the mark all at once. Otherwise, we can go and see at least once all the paper and then release the marks. So I am releasing the marks by clicking on send email and release. So the girl has received. So this is the way of releasing the marks of the students.